Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be covering 4 additional income streams that you can implement today for your beauty business. These ideas can also be used in the future once things are back up and running, and maybe just ways you can prepare for slow periods, or should your business go into a slow period, you can implement these ideas to ensure revenue is coming through the door. As you know, I love Instagram. I love how it's a way we can continue to connect with our current and prospective clients. And during this time, we can most definitely continue to sell to our current clients and prospective clients via social media, via Instagram. So all of these ideas that I'm going to be covering today are things that you can sell and promote through your social media channels. I've spoken to a lot of beauty business owners, and a lot of them are pivoting their business. They're offering new products, new product offerings, and I want to let you know, if you are feeling nervous, you are feeling unmotivated during this time, don't worry, that's totally normal. I'm hoping this video today will help you feel a bit more motivated and know that you have someone who can support you. I can help give you ideas. I can help lead you along the way. Like, my inbox is always open if you have any questions or anything. In terms of marketing and pivoting during this pressing time, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll make sure that my email is linked below. But that being said, let's get right into the 4 additional income streams you can implement today to continue to bring revenue into your beauty business, even if you can't see your clients face to face. As always, for the best beauty and marketing tips, make sure that you hit the bell notification as well as the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I release a new video every week. Okay, so my first idea is something I have seen a lot, and that is offering virtual consultations. Well, virtual consultations is a great way to bring your practice into the virtual world. You can still help out your clients even if you can't see them face to face. You just have to get a little innovative, whether that is offering a pre-consult form via email and then doing the rest of the consultation via Zoom chat, Facebook chat, FaceTime chat, what have you. Any way you can just see their face, you're still able to offer your services to them. That being said, I know a lot of beauty business owners, a lot of estheticians, they're not very comfortable with helping clients who maybe have higher grade issues to deal with, and that totally makes sense. Before you jump into doing virtual consults, kind of maybe set parameters for yourself. Someone comes to you with severe acne. Maybe right now is not the best time to help them out virtually because you can't see their face, you can't see how bad it really is up close, if that makes sense. Maybe take on cases that are more lower grade to medium grade of skincare ailments, and then once you're back up and running, you can for sure offer your services to those who have more advanced cases. But if you have been in the game for 10 plus years, 20 years, and you feel comfortable with helping anyone via virtual consult, I say go for it. This is an absolutely amazing opportunity to bring consistent revenue into your business during this time. So my second additional income idea is creating a customized product pack. I've seen a lot of these, from at-home facials to preventative aging kits to retinol kits. I know Zoe Skincare did a really popular retinol peel that they posted on their Instagram. I'm sure you can jump over to their Instagram page to get some post inspiration in terms of marketing your product kits. But product kits are so great because not only are you showing off your expertise by creating these tailored kits for specific skincare problems, but you're also selling your retail product. Get creative and really try to focus on the value of these kits before you start promoting them on social media. Now, before I keep going, I want to know, how have you pivoted your beauty business? I'd love to know, so leave a comment below. I'm sure your comments will help out other beauty business owners who may be struggling or may be feeling stuck during this time. Of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to reply to them once I posted this video. Now, my third idea is something that's really fun, and that's hosting a master class. So you can actually charge people for your knowledge during this time. So for example, if you have a large clientele that is concerned about aging, why not host a masterclass where you give out all your knowledge, all your details, any tips and tricks about anti-aging? Or for example, facial massage that is so popular right now. why not offer a masterclass? It's $5 to $10 for people to attend, and you'll show them how to do facial massage, what tools they can purchase to do facial massage at home, lymphatic drainage. I know that's super popular right now, and you can promote that on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your Pinterest, wherever. Because it's virtual, you can have people tuning in from outside of your local area. It's a great way to connect with your regular and potentially new clients during this time. Now, my fourth and final tip is push retail. Really push retail, push your products. If you can't be doing services at home, sell your products that you offer on your online store or in your physical store and ship them to people. You can also focus on selling gift cards. By selling gift cards, you will ensure that someone's purchasing it, so you're getting the money now, but they will use the gift card at a later date. That's a great way to ensure money is coming in through your doors just to get you by during this slow period. All right, there you have it. Those are 4 new potential income ideas for your beauty business during this time. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'm here to help you promote your business and keep things running. Again, I hope you like this video. Make sure that you hit the like button below as well as subscribe, so I know that this is the type of content, the type of videos that you want to continue seeing. I hope you all stay safe. I hope you all stay healthy, and I will see you guys all in my next video.